So good day, my name is Mark Albert N. Polinar. So ngayon meron tayong 5 problems na bibigyan natin ng syempre ng 5 solutions, no? So unang problem natin is retrieve all primary products from the database and organize them based on size. Next, obtain products set to expire in August from the product table, and next, calculate the total sales from the product cart table including product name, size, and quantity. So retrieve all records from the sales table and group them by date. And next, determine the number of entries in the product cart table. So ano pang inaantay natin? Let's start. So sa first problem natin, ang gagawin lang natin is i-select lang natin yung product name and then yung size. Tapos yung total ng sum as total sales, and then yung sum ng product quantities as product quantities from product cart, and then i-group natin siya by product name and then size. Tapos makikita na natin dito yung product name, size, total sales, and then product quantities. Next na natin is yung sa number 2. So isi-select count lang natin as total entries from product inventory. So sa number 3, isi-select lang natin yung product name, size, sum total as total sales, and then sum product quantities as product quantities, and then from product cart, i-group natin siya by product name, size. And then sa number 4 naman, isi-select lang natin yung sum, yung total amount as total amount, and then yung date uploaded from sales. Tapos i-group natin siya by date, and then date uploaded. And then yon, lalabas na. Next is yung select count as total entries from product cart. Then yun, dun lang nagtatapos.